3200 input offset adjustment. When you require to place an offset onto the instrument, you will need to go to level 3. Press and hold the page key until level 3 appears. Release the page key and enter number 3. Press the page key for input and press the scroll key a few times until pv.ofs appears. Now you can use the arrow keys to select the offset. In this particular case, I will place a 10-degree offset on the temperature reading. If I press both keys together, observe 33 degrees on the screen. But in actual fact, it's actually 23. If I go back down to offset, PV offset, I take out the 10 degrees, press both keys, I'm now back to our normal reading of 23 degrees C.